wow. That was a lucky guess. This is a flat spot. And I only saw it from way down there before, so that's great. That's good. That'll work. Wasn't fortunate enough to find birch bark, but that's okay. This stuff does a good job. It's getting dark pretty quick, and I almost forgot to go find a spot to hang the food. So I'm gonna do that before it's completely dark. Wow, it got dark fast. It's 5:30 now, so time to get ready for dinner. Baked potato. I spoiled myself. I oiled it and seasoned it at home so I could just chuck it in the fire. So that's where it's going now. While that's brewing, I think I might go collect a little bit more firewood. When I was waiting for the coals, I already collected a few more and the jacket came off again. A little bit of seasoning. There is 3 of them in there. I was hoping they wouldn't be too stuck together. There we go. It looks good overall. I'm pretty happy with that. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Nice and soft. Oh, lovely. Should have brought some sour cream for that potato. Kind of forgot. So you get butter. Man, I'm excited. Potato? Oh, that's perfect. Oh, it's hot. It's good. Hold on. But I got one more trick up my sleeve before bedtime. Had some Christmas hot chocolate. It's good to me. Oh, we did it, guys. Do I have something on my beard? It's hot. I always do that. Oh, well, that's gotta have to sit for a minute. I was not ready for that. That's probably it for me anyways. I'm just gonna finish my drink, watch the fire, and it's also a super clear night out, so I'm gonna enjoy the stars, I think, a little bit before I head off to bed. So see you guys in the morning. Wow, they're close. That was a lot of them. Before I started recording, I heard one, and it sounded pretty close. And as I was walking up towards the camera, I could hear something moving. I think it was coming towards me. Like, I couldn't see it. I don't think it knew I was there. I shouted, and it stopped. I turned the camera on, and then they started going off across the way there. This is definitely coyote territory, because last time I was out here, I had a couple howling at me across the lake. A little unnerving, but cool. I don't quite think it was up here on the ridge with me. If you walk out here past the campsite, I have a feeling he might have been down there. With that, I am officially off to bed for real this time, unless something else wakes me up. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Snowing a bit. Well, I slept pretty well. The coyotes only woke me up once in the night, and then pretty much right this morning, they were my alarm clock. Last night was great. No wind, super clear. The stars were amazing. And this is a pretty sweet little campsite, camped up here on the ridge like this. I had a big breakfast planned, but I gotta be honest, I'd been fighting something these last couple days, and I didn't feel too great when I woke up this morning. And it's not getting any better. So I think I'm going to forego the breakfast and just eat a bar on the way out of here and get packed up. So, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.